What's up, everybody? This is Mason Alexander Reviews. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Hope you guys are getting your stuff ready for the year. Hope you guys have a good year. Today we're going to be talking about another shoe. Of course, you know, another rep review. This one particularly is from Shoepop. The website is shoepop.ru. They reached out to me on Instagram, asked me to review this. They wanted to work with me, that sort of thing. So I said yes. They sent me this shoe, which is in particular the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott in the black Phantom black, whatever the name is, colorway. I have a video of the Jordan 1 Low in the reverse mocha that I just uploaded yesterday. So the video right before this, go check that out if you're interested. But today we're gonna make it a little different. We're gonna just unbox it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it's like on feet. You guys can see what's inside the box that they give you. And after the video, after you finished it, be sure to comment down below what you guys think of the shoe, how you think they did with the execution on it. If you like content like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Let's get into it. So starting out with the box itself, it comes in this really cool matte black cover. It's filled with Nike Air, Cactus Jack words, and face and the Jordan Wings logo. It's scattered throughout. On the box it has some text, and then around the side of the box you have the information of the shoe, which is of course my size 11.5, with the official name and colors of the shoe being black and Phantom black. So it's really different because this shoe, Nike decided to make a cover for the actual shoebox. Pulling out the box from the cover again, you have this slick black box with your traditional Nike Air logo, but in this black sheen finish. Looks sleek. So we're gonna take off the lid, nothing else really to it, so we're gonna put that to the side. And now the fun stuff. On the top, we immediately see this black bandana. I've seen other reviews show that they have this, so I think it was a clever move by Nike to include this in there. This one actually comes with two. And then right on top of the shoes is the Shoepop paper. A reminder to go check them out with a discount code after you watch this video, guys. Finally, the shoes themselves. Man, looking at these in hand, they're a lot cooler than just seeing them online. The different materials on the shoe is really nice. There's not much really to say about the shoe, especially if you know what a Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low looks like. But basically, just all of that, but it's all in black. What does make this one unique, however, is the white stitching throughout. It really makes the shoe pop. Get it? Okay, anyway, it's different in this heel area too. On the left shoe, it has what it looks like is a B logo, which I think has something to do with his daughter, Travis Scott's daughter, if I'm not mistaken. So that's different. It has this Cactus Jack and Nike Air branding on the tongue, but this time in the color red, which is also a nice little touch. On the medial side of the shoe is the classic swoosh, and then that Cactus Jack branding underneath, which is a really subtle and like a grayish black color. Finally, they give you some extra laces in the shoe. One of them is this white and black design on them. Not really my style, but I've seen people rocking them. And the other is red, which matches that subtle branding on the tongue. So I think I'm gonna stick with black though. I think that looks really cool with it all blacked out. So all in all, I think this pair is fire. I'm gonna be styling these on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there at Mason Fitted. And yeah, these are a solid pair from Shoepop. All right, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I really like this shoe. I like the execution on this shoe. I like that it's all black. We don't really seem to get a whole lot of all black sneakers that are hyped and trendy. So this is a nice, refreshing shoe to have, something simple, but also kind of, it goes hard on the details. I really like that. I love that they put a bandana in the shoe box. I think the unboxing experience is a really cool one. So yeah, I'll definitely be styling these. If you want to see me style them, follow me on my Instagram at Mason Fitted. I'll post all my fits on there and style all my sneakers on there as well. So be sure to follow me there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and lace these up, put them on feet so you guys can see how that looks. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.